Picture this. 1 week from now, your face stops looking like you just ran a mile. 1 month from now, the breakouts that keep showing up in the same 3 spots stop showing up. That's not a promise. That's what can happen when you finally control the one thing causing most oily skin problems. The problem is, most people are trying to fix oily skin in ways that either do nothing or make it worse. So let's fix that. First, understand this. If you have oily skin, it's probably not because you're dirty. It's not because you don't wash your face enough. And it's definitely not because you need some expensive, miracle skincare product. For most people, oily skin comes down to 2 things: genetics and hormones. Some people are simply born with larger, more active oil glands, and those glands produce more oil than average. That's it. But here's the important part. The oil itself isn't the real problem. What that oil does is the problem. Your skin naturally produces an oil called sebum. Sebum isn't bad. In fact, your skin needs it. It helps protect your skin and keeps it from drying out. But when your skin produces too much of it, things start going wrong. Throughout the day, your skin sheds dead skin cells. Dust, pollution, sweat, and bacteria also land on your face. Now imagine excess oil acting like glue. It traps all that stuff inside your pores. Those pores become clogged, and clogged pores are the perfect place for acne-causing bacteria to grow. That's when blackheads appear. That's when pimples appear. And that's when deeper inflamed acne starts forming. So the process looks like this. Excess oil becomes clogged pores, which creates breakouts. That's why controlling oil production is so important, because when you control the oil, you attack the problem at the source. Now here's where most people mess up. Their skin gets oily, so they try to dry it out. They wash their face 5 times a day. They use harsh scrubs, strong alcohol-based products, random home remedies from social media. And for a few hours, their skin looks better. Then suddenly, it gets oily again, sometimes even worse than before. Why? Because your skin isn't stupid. When you strip away too much oil, your skin thinks it's under attack, so it responds by producing more oil. Now you're stuck in a cycle. More oil, more washing, even more oil, even more washing, and it never ends. That's why oily skin isn't solved by making your face as dry as possible. It's solved by keeping your skin balanced. So if harsh products aren't the answer, what is? Here's the simple protocol. First, use a salicylic acid cleanser twice a day, morning and night. Salicylic acid is great because it can actually get inside oily pores and remove excess buildup. Second, use a lightweight moisturizer. A lot of people with oily skin skip moisturizer completely, which is a mistake. When your skin becomes dehydrated, it often produces more oil to compensate. Look for something oil-free and non-comedogenic. Third, add niacinamide. Niacinamide is one of the few ingredients that actually has good evidence behind it for helping regulate oil production over time. It can also help reduce redness and improve overall skin appearance. Fourth, stop touching your face. Seriously, your hands touch everything: your phone, your keyboard, door handles, gym equipment. Then you transfer all that dirt and bacteria directly onto your skin. It's a small habit, but it makes a bigger difference than most people think. Fifth, manage your lifestyle. Poor sleep, high stress, constant junk food. These things won't magically cause acne overnight, but they can absolutely make oily skin harder to manage. Get enough sleep, stay hydrated, eat mostly whole foods, and keep stress under control whenever possible. Now here's the part most people don't want to hear. Results take time. Your skin doesn't completely change in 3 days. Usually, after about 1 week, you'll notice less surface shine. After about 1 month, new clogged pores and breakouts often slow down significantly. And after a few months of consistency, that's when the biggest changes usually happen. The people who get the best results aren't the people with the most products. They're the people who stay consistent the longest. So if you want to fix oily skin, stop trying to destroy the oil. Control it. Use a good cleanser. Use a moisturizer. Use ingredients that actually have evidence behind them, and give your skin enough time to respond. Because oily skin isn't usually a product problem. It's a consistency problem. And once you understand that, everything starts getting easier.